Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers, and today we're going to be discussing a PC that came in running very slowly, multiple things going wrong. One, they've got a spinning hard drive, and the hard drive is starting to show signs of wear and it's on its way out, but it also has viruses. So this is a great opportunity for them to upgrade on our promotion, where they're going to upgrade to a 1 terabyte solid state drive, and they're also going to take the time to upgrade to Windows 10 at the same time. So we're going to upgrade to Windows 10, we're going to clone it to a solid state drive, and we're going to remove all the infections. And all of that is done for the price of a normal clone. So if you have a look at this machine, we've still got it booting up at the moment, and we're going to do a side-by-side comparison to show you how long it's going to take to boot up once we've actually removed the infections, upgraded to the solid state, and done the Windows 10 upgrade. So we're starting to come up, and here it comes up to Windows 7. We'll show you the big difference shortly. If you've got any questions, give us a call at 281-647-9977.